I would like to congratulate the RESP International Network and its president, Jean-Yves Gauchot, for this first workshop dedicated to African horse sickness. I am very pleased to present the position of the French Ministry of Agriculture on the prevention of this very serious disease. France has been recognized officially free of AHS by the World Assembly of the OIE 3 years ago. Of course, we want to keep this status. So we have to take all appropriate measures to avoid the introduction of the virus in our country. And when I say country, I mean the EU, because we all know that in a single market, an animal disease in one member state can harm the livestock economy of all its neighboring countries. AHS is a vector-borne disease, and the experience we have now in France with bluetongue demonstrates how difficult is the eradication of this kind of diseases. Nowadays, the climate warming makes the threat more important for the northern countries. A good prevention and protection system should be based on 3 pillars: regulation, surveillance, emergency plan. Regulation we have in France and Europe for many years. At international level, the OIE Code gives useful guidance to ensure the safe trade of horses. Effective surveillance depends on the vigilance of the professionals and the official veterinary services. In this regard, the RESP plays a key role in France in close connection with the horse industry and the administration. I take the opportunity to acknowledge this network for its commitment and expertise. Vigilance must also be carried out at the EU borders in the veterinary inspection posts. To avoid the worst scenario, it is important for the state with the stakeholders to anticipate by developing emergency plans. We have in France a generic plan containing general principles for crisis management, and we need specific plans to take into account the specificities of diseases like FMD, avian flu, swine fevers, or African horse sickness. The plan for AHS is currently under development in our services. If, unfortunately, the virus enters our territory, but if we are well prepared, the strength of our sanitary system should allow an early detection. Early detection is the main condition to have a chance for early eradication. If not, we have a high risk of spreading and installing the disease with the role of indigenous culicoides. If we count a lot of outbreaks, vaccination, of course, may be a good tool to control AHS, but we need vaccine. At this stage, we have no production in Europe. In a proactive approach, the European Commission should encourage the pharmaceutical industry to develop vaccines of a new generation. And in a preventive approach, it would be interesting to create a vaccine or antigen bank at EU level. That's what I wanted to say. To summarize, we must collectively prepare to better prevent. Thank you again for holding this workshop.